significance of life. It's too special. Life is not just about seeing just things around ourselves in our daily routine. Like it is not about that making good food and living just a normal life. It is too special. And when I'm talking about significance of life, I'm not going in the way of poetic sense, and I'm not going in the way of philosophical way. I'm just saying in the way that we are living in this earth, and we invent telescope which are seeing planet outer the earth. We are seeing galaxy from earth, from outer the earth, and we are live, are seeing life in oceans. We are seeing birds flying in the sky. We are seeing animal running and crawling on the floor. We are seeing humans. And significance of life is that every question we ask, we seek answer for that. Like suppose many 100 years ago, how many are our healthcare system, and now in this time our healthcare system are too much better than before 100 years. And in the same field of in healthcare system, in physics, in chemistry, in mathematics, and all the dimension of life, in space, significance of life is not just about living in daily things, just daily routine, and we just think about in the survival thinking. It is not that. Significance of life is that we can see the pattern in the sky. There are people who make the map of the stars, which are type of philosopher kind of guy which used to travel from sea from one place to another, and they travel their path with the help of map of the stars. They make their way with that. Significance of life is that we living on this planet, this blue origin, and we are exposed to the universe. That is the significance of life. And we made the instrument which can see the planets out of the earth, out of the solar system, and we are seeing galaxies. And it is not just that we are become too more ahead in the thinking of ourselves, that we can tell that this is the season and weather when it will be high rain or it will be highly drought, when there will be no rain. We now can say that this will be the reason of this will be the weather of summer, winter. As the year are passing, as the year are coming, as the day are coming, we are becoming more and more understandable life. Every question we have, every curiosity we have, every passion we have, we are becoming, we are knowing things more and more. Significance of life is that we are understanding the problem of other life, we are solving the problem of other life, and we are seeking the answer of the question we are facing, whether it's mathematical, whether it's physical, whether it's chemical, whether it's geometrical, whether it is scientific, whether it is spiritual. We are seeking all the answers. Significance of life is that like a universe is expanding, we are expanding mentally, emotionally, psychologically. Significance of life is that we are exposed to universe, and we are becoming more and more close to universe day by day, night by night. That is the significance of life. The real significance of life is that we are becoming more and more one with nature, because we are seeing pattern in the trees, we are seeing pattern in the clouds, we are seeing pattern in the lives of humans and animals and birds and living species in oceans. We are seeing pattern in the sky of the stars. We are seeing cycles of moons. We are seeing cycles of planets. We are seeing rotation of planets. So significance of life is that we are becoming more and more one with nature. We are becoming more and more one with the universe, as much as we are seeing and as much as we are understanding. So significance of life is that as much as we involve with nature and we involve with universe, we realize how much significant we are in the universe. So significant of life is that to becoming more and more one with nature and one with universe. It is too beautiful, it is too spiritual, it is too scientific. Life is the best thing in the universe. best thing in the universe, and significance of life is very special, very spiritual.